What's up, friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing my 5 simple tips that you can use to optimize your at-home work setup. But first, if you're new here, welcome. My mission is to help you achieve success without sacrificing your health or happiness. So if you're into this, click that subscribe button and join the Type A tribe. Since making my upright go-to video, a lot of you have been asking me for the best devices for posture and back pain. And so I present to you my minimalist ergonomic desk setup. To start, I highly recommend that you look into an adjustable standing desk. Now, I break up my day with intervals of standing and sitting, which I find can help with reducing lower back pain and even giving me an extra boost of productivity. I'll occasionally throw in my balance board underneath me during my standing sessions to help with some core stability exercises as well. Now, there are a ton of options out there at various price points, but I really like the one that I got from IKEA, which starts at $400. And I will link that in the show notes below if you want to go check that out. Next up, you want to find a really good ergonomic chair. Now, these can definitely get a little bit pricey, but if you're sitting at your desk for more than 8 hours a day, look at this as a long-term investment. Now, one of the key things you want to look for is a really good headrest, as this can help with proper spine alignment if you have a tendency to kind of lean back in your chair. The seat cushion should also be comfortable but firm so that you're not sinking into your chair all day and causing your upper body to slouch. Now, a trick I use when I'm sitting is I actually put a bolster, just one like a yoga bolster, underneath my feet so that it actually can help balance out my hip flexors, which are often very tight. Now, right now, I am really happy with the one I got from IKEA, the Jarvjalet. I'm not gonna even pretend to pronounce that. But this one comes in at around $230. Now, most ergonomic chairs you'll find that are of good quality fall somewhere in the $200 to $400 range, so this didn't seem too crazy for me. Now, to help balance out those standing sessions, you might want to look into a sturdy ergonomic mat. Now, I was personally turned on to the Topo Mini by Ergodriven from a friend who is literally on her feet all day. If your desk is actually on a hard surface like mine is, you'll find that the cushion support you get makes the whole experience just so much more pleasant. And you're more likely to stand for longer periods of time because your feet don't get quite as fatigued so quickly. And I'll even occasionally stretch my ankles or the balls of my feet on this thing. I think it is well worth the price at $69 on Amazon. Another type of cushion you might want to look at is one for your back. Even if you are using an ergonomic chair, sometimes it's just really nice to have that extra lumbar support to help with things like back pain and posture. I am personally a huge fan of the CanDo sitting wedge, which I got on Amazon for 30 bucks. What's really nice about it is that it's actually dual-sided. So I can often switch from either sitting on the thing or using it to prop up my lower back, depending on what's more sore that day. They also say it's great for core support because you're actually doing small micro movements while you're sitting on it. And this thing is a game changer for traveling. I literally will throw it in my car if I'm taking a long trip anywhere. I love that extra support I get while driving. And finally, probably the simplest and cheapest thing you can do is install the software Iris into your computer. Now, I first started using it really to help with eye strain because it can block blue light, but I've since started using it for a lot of other things like hourly reminders to just get up and stretch. Sure, you can set an alarm on your phone as a reminder, but what's great about the Iris is that you can actually set certain breakpoints throughout the day, at which time Iris will take over your screen to display a reminder to just get up, move, and stretch around. Now, I personally need this type of discipline, and for only like $1.99 a month, I think this is well worth the price. Of course, there are so many other things that you can add to this to help with your posture and alignment while working, including things like a standing treadmill and even a Bosu ball. And I highly encourage you to explore all the options within your budget. But these are the things that I have found have really worked for me, and I hope that you guys will find them helpful too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if you learned something, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified each week when I drop a new video. And until then, I will catch you on the next one.